Morning, guys. Got that Paul Mitchell on. It's early in the morning. This trip to Thrift number 71. Let's go. I got this Warner Brothers pocket tee, and then they actually have this Polo right here. I wish I had more stuff on it, but vintage Polo. It's kind of like a rugby type piece. Fire. I got this Gucci belt right here, but I don't know if it's real. I'm asking for 25. We got some Kobe 4s right here, but the fronts are kind of ripping off the sole. KB. Yo. This is my first time actually seeing V2's though in the Thrift. Aqua socks. Holy cow, guys. Vintage Iron Maiden 2. See right there, says 1990, and then this one 1988. This one is a Screen Stars. That's wild. This one's not Screen Stars, but it's still single stitch. Oh my god, yo. Your boy just came out. We got this vintage Nike AI Allen Iverson jersey. It's pretty fire. We got this Polo Sport too, but it's got some red bleeding right there. Look at this kid's vintage bear dress. Oh, this is so random, but it's kind of cool. Got this vintage Super Bowl tee. Denver Broncos, Green Bay Packers. Nothing on the back. Look at that bootleg Chanel hat. They're only asking for 20. If that fits my head, I'll for sure cop it. Raiders. Pro player. Not too fire. Just found a whole bunch of vintage tees. The taxing on this one. I'm gonna have to buy $8 Hershey's. This one I'm gonna cop. It's a Screen Stars Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. That one's fire. Will fly. For food. Women of substance fly. And this vintage Calvin Klein too. We'll see which ones I pick up. Probably everything except this one because of taxing. We got this Polo right here. Little cookie patch, but these don't go for too much. They're taxing 13. Just found this one right here, Tournament of Roses, 1991, Screen Stars. Then I found this right here, Mighty Ducks too. Copy. Vintage Hawaii Kauai tee. Kauai. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's fire. Hey. I honestly don't know if this is new or old, but I'm copping regardless because it looks vintage. It's a Forrest Gump Bubba Gump shrimp hat. For sure gonna cop that. About to ship this off. Screen Stars, Iron Maiden tee. Gotta pack it up. Morning, y'all. As you can see, your boy's in his smock because we were supposed to have an event today, but it got canceled early in the morning. Now I have a chill Friday. I got free hours, and now it's time to go put in work in the Thrift. So let's go, boy. I got the Mighty Ducks CCM. Found one of these a long time ago. I might pick it up. They're asking for 8. I got this vintage Tommy Hilfiger backpack right here. Super big bag. They're asking for 40, but I don't think I can pass. Dude, I just found, this is a 1967 hockey. 4 Polo Bear towels. And the Grail one right here. Yeah. Oh my god. Dude! I don't even know what to say, yo. Oh my god, dude. I literally just found those 4 Polo Bear towels, like in the greatest condition that I've ever seen, like a Polo Bear towel. And there's 4 of them, boy! 4! I got so hyped, I low-key forgot to film it on my camera. But I got it on my phone, and that's why that last clip looks like that, but time to go eat and then back to thrifting. Let's go. See, the thing is, if my event didn't get canceled, I wouldn't have got those. Everything happens for a reason. Peace. I got this North Face right here. Asking for 25 though. You know, too much. Yo, these are kind of wavy right here. Wish these are my size. They're pretty hard. It's a little ruined. Look at this Fendi belt. Got some flaws right there. It's pretty cool though. Another Polo cookie right here. This one just doesn't have a collar. Asking for 18. Got this NASCAR jacket. Alright, so I just got back to the boo-boos once again, and I just want to show you everything that I came up on in this trip to Thrift. Y'all seen this on my IG. Bootleg Chanel strap bag for the personal. This is fire. Bubba Gump shrimp, and you see the back, it says Forrest Gump right there. This one I did not post on my IG because I found the Polo Bear towels, and it was way more fire to post on IG, even though this is a very, very dope piece. But yeah, very, very good condition. Tommy Hilfiger backpack. They're taxing a little bit. I did pay $40 for it, but if you do know what this is, you know this goes for a lot more than $40. Vintage Calvin Klein tee, Screen Stars Reese's tee, vintage Mighty Ducks, vintage GM 1991 Tournament of Roses tee. And then, oh, that was actually a Screen Stars. And then this one, vintage Will Fly for Food. Just a funny vintage tee. And then you guys already saw these, the hockey, or if you follow me on Instagram, you saw them already. Yeah, the 2 cyclist towels, and then the Polo Hooper. Hey, give me the package, bro. Nice new glasses. What?
Can you do that again? I wasn't ready.
Nope, it's too late. Give me it. Whack. What's good, guys? Just got to the post office. About to ship off the North Face NUP 700 puffer. I probably look weird right now. I didn't even check how I look right now, but I don't give a. But yeah, I just got to the post office. I fit that jacket in here. Didn't have to use a box. All shipped off. Now it's time to go have lunch with the fam. Okay, the big bro threw on the Grateful Dead tee. Oh boy. Yo, had to change out the outfit real quick. Oh man, lighting's kind of bad, but threw the beanie on, threw a tee on because it's kind of hot, so I had to take off the full suit. Slides like always. About to eat right here. Sushi, martini, with the brother and the parentals. What's up, guys? Okay, the artwork. Gotta get down on that salad. That miso soup. Soup.
Take a picture of that.
Okay. Mine looks way more fancy though.
You. Huh?
Opens by itself.
Oh, magic.
Turtle.
Dude, that's pretty great.
Looks like a turtle, huh?
Dang, that was sick. Ooh.
Doesn't it look like a turtle?
Dude, their plates are on point, boy. About to be fire. Okay, pops with the lobster roll. Check out what's on the floor, but you gotta do it with swag. What's that on the ground? Ooh. Yeah, you gotta bend, you gotta twist your body. Ooh. Yeah, you gotta twist your body sideways, like ooh. Mama wanted to stop at Ross, so we're gonna pop in here real quick, peep the shoe section. Oh, let's go. Okay. Got the sock darts and the Prestos. We got some Pumas right here. What are these? Ooh. I don't know what those are. They actually got some Hyper Dunks right here. Size 9.5. You got some Jordan Futures right here. The Wakanda edition. Got the Flyknit Air Forces right here. They look like they're about size 15. It's cool. It's a little too big.
A couple extra socks.
We got another pair right here. Black and white. Got some Nike ACG boots right here. These are kind of cool. Are they Nike? Oh yeah. Okay. Talking about practice. And then they actually got these right here, the Space Jams. These are kind of tight. I'm about to get my brother. Where? Wow. Oh, weak, man. You even saw me too. Yeah. So They're sick. Where? Too late, dog. Just walked into this random Old Navy because your boy gotta go. If you're Filipino, you know what pandesal is. We're here at a little bakery. It smells great. Mom, what are you buying? What are you buying?
Pandesal.
What are you buying, Kuya? Ube pandesal?
No, pandesal.
Uber good.
Yo, what's good, guys? Just got back home. Super tired for some reason. It's starting to get extra hot outside, man. I'm not digging it. But I just got back home from school. As you guys saw, I did ship the Iron Maiden tee. Don't worry, I did pick up the other one as well. I just forgot to show it in this video. But that one is still available. There's a reason why I haven't really been posting too many items for sale. And it's because your boy is trying to stock up some items for a reason. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to the Thrift, numero 71. You already know slogan, so let's wrap it up. I need a nap, boy. Hey, man, to fashion.